This man here is accused and convicted of the following crimes: treason, desertion, conspiracy. The punishment, death by firing squad.
Let's hurry up.
Ready. Aim.
Fire.
Fire.
Blow it, son.
No, it's done. He's paid for his crimes.
No.
Lucas is about to shoot him more.
There.
Oh. Oh, now let's see the back.
The back, someone got me there.
That was Marcus.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's French toast this motherfucker. Other side now.
Ready. Hey. Hey, wait.
Wait.
Hey. Fire.
Couldn't help myself. That was at least like fucking. Stop. Hold fire! Hold fire!
He's running! He's running! Oh shit! Oh shit! Hey,
Hold fire! Shit.
Hey, he's attacking. Stand down.
We got a situation.
Move in. Pink shirt. Hey, he's running.
No. I give up. He surrenders.
All right, put on the cuffs. Your time to be shamed. Come on. Hey, down.
Let me see your back.
You guys got me mostly in the legs on that one.